In a world where technology meets compassion, 3 utility drones have emerged as heroes. First up, we have the Air Patrol drone, designed for safety and security. The Air Patrol drone is equipped with high-resolution cameras and thermal imaging technology, making it perfect for monitoring areas for potential threats or incidents. It can fly for hours, ensuring constant vigilance over your surroundings. Next, we introduce the Air Medic drone, a lifesaver in the sky. The Air Medic drone is equipped with medical supplies, including first aid kits, defibrillators, and even automated external defibrillators, AEDs. It can quickly reach accident scenes, providing immediate medical assistance while waiting for professional help. Last but not least, meet the Search and Rescue drone, your guardian angel in emergencies. The Search and Rescue drone is built to withstand harsh conditions, with robust construction and advanced GPS technology. It can locate missing persons in disaster-stricken areas, deliver essential supplies, and even send distress signals for prompt rescue operations. In a world where every second counts, these utility drones are making a difference. Stay tuned for more exciting innovations in the world of drones.